What's up, guys? Out here enjoying a beautiful Sunday afternoon, doing some saltwater fishing today. Outgoing tide, water clarity is really good. Hoping to get some sight fishing in as that tide gets a little bit lower. But we got some live shrimp, got some artificial, and we're gonna be out here watching the sunset, hopefully catching a few fish. So hope you guys enjoy, and hopefully we're back with some fish shortly. Yeah, she's here too. All right, we got fish on. Fish on. What do we got? What do we got? Ooh, a nice trout. Hold on. All right. Nice little sea trout. First fish of the day. Toothy.
He is toothy. Right,
cool. Let me get the.
Buddy, let go.
There he goes. Phew! It's been a while. Oh man, there's water all over the freaking lens.
Oh, gracious.
Little trout. Finally got on the board.
You're on the spots.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god, it is a raccoon.
He swam over there.
From where?
The mangroves right there. Mark.
Is that normal?
Yeah. I mean, he's coming out here to eat crabs and stuff.
Oh, I really wish it had been an otter.
Yeah, well, it's just a trash panda. Redfish.
Wow. Yeah, it is.
Swallow.
Whoa.
Blue?
Yeah.
It's fired up. He's under the boat. He's going under the boat. A smart one. It is. What a redfish. Up on that oyster reef bed. With a little guy. Alright, not nearly as fired up as that last one was. Well, it wasn't what we had hoped for. We caught 2 redfish, 2 spotted sea trout. Could have been worse, but pretty nice sunset. But it's getting fairly cold. Luckily, we don't have a very far drive back to the ramp. So Anyway, it's nice to try something new and get out of the house and get on the water. Second day in a row. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time. I have no idea what I'll be doing then.